In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Bluetooth keyboard or mouse keeps going to sleep on Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the start button and then here you have to go to device manager. So here expand the list for Bluetooth. Simply right click on your Bluetooth driver and then select update driver. You can go on with browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your Bluetooth driver or choose the latest version from here and then click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this. You can also expand the list for the HID or the human interface devices and then locate your Bluetooth device from here. I mean like the Bluetooth driver. You can also find the USB input device. Right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Right click, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. The next thing that you can do is to disable the power saving on each driver. So again, expand the list for human interface devices. Locate the Bluetooth that you have, the Bluetooth connection that you have on your Windows, and then you can also do this for the USB input device. So right click and then select go to properties. Click on power management. Make sure that this option allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is not selected and then click on OK. Right click, select properties. Do this for your Bluetooth device and the USB input device. If you have, click on power management and do not check this option and click on OK. Now, the last thing that we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. Click on it under the best match. Click on change advanced power settings. Expand the list for USB settings by clicking on the plus sign symbol on the left side. You will find the USB selective suspend setting. Click on that. Make sure that for both on battery and plugged in, this is disabled. Okay? Apply and then okay, and then close this, and that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.